Hello, students of 8th class. Let us continue with the fourth chapter, Civics, that is United Nations. And this is the third part of the chapter. So, we have exercise and question answers. So, first question is tick the correct answer, and the answer is D, October 24, 1945. This is the first answer. Second answer, Hindi, B part. Third answer, C, permanent members of the Security Council. Then fourth answer, Geneva. And fifth answer, FAO. Then we have Phillips. First Philip, peace-loving country members. And second Phillips, 193. Third, medical aid. And fourth Philip, members states. And fifth Philip, 1946. Then we have true false. Match the column A and column B. So third, fifth, 1, 2 and 4. So these are the matches. Then we have true false. First three are true, true, and then next false. Then question answer, students. First answer you have on page 139. October 24, 1945. And then its second part, question's second part is here. The League failed in its function and the Second World War broke out till injustice. So this is your first answer. And the second answer you have here on page 140. There are some objectives. There are 5 objectives, but you can take 2 objectives. And the principles also you can take any 2. These are the objectives, these are the principles. Any 2 which it can be taken. Okay. And then your third answer is here. Points to remember, fifth point. So till 6 organs of the UN. Okay, this is the third answer. You can write one each function. You find out from the chapter and write one each function also, your own. And then your fourth answer is here. Okay, from here till here. And then finance of the UN. This is your fifth answer. This is your fifth answer till here. Okay. And then you have got your fifth answer. Describe the UN flag, draw and color it. You have then your next answer is here, flag of the UN. This is a description, and then you can draw the map. Draw the picture. Okay, for you. And your next answer, that is answer number 7. France, China, Russia, USA, and England. That is your 7th answer. That's all from your chapter 4, and your syllabus is over. Prepare it well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me online. Thank you.